Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with Sahasresh. So today, as you can see on the screen, we are going to discuss about the different types of deserts. So let's get started. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel and hit the bell icon. Yeah. So firstly, we have the cold deserts. So what do you think of cold deserts as you see the name? Are they cold? Yes, they are. And what do places that are very cold have? Mountains. So do cold deserts have mountains? We don't know because desert means a flat ground, right? So let's see. Cold deserts are often high in mountain areas. In winter, these deserts can be covered with snow and ice. Ladakh Desert in India is an example of a cold desert. Oh, so Ladakh is a cold desert that is present in India itself. We most people don't know about this, right? Yeah. And cold deserts are often high in mountain areas. So by this thing, we understand that in cold deserts we have mountains, and they're often high. And in winter, these deserts and mountains can be covered with snow and ice that you can see them very clearly, very thick ice and snow. So now let's get into another desert. So we can see the hot desert. So hot desert, what do you think again? It's hot? Yes, it's hot. And does it have mountains again? Let's see. So, in hot deserts on day, the temperatures can reach to more than 38 degrees Celsius, but at night it's usually very cold. Generally, hot deserts have cloud cover that allows them to heat up and cool down very quickly. The Thar Desert in India is an example of a hot desert. So, again in India we have a hot desert. It's the Thar Desert in India, present in Rajasthan. And in hot deserts on day, the temperatures can reach more than 38 degrees Celsius. So mostly when you have fever, you reach a very high temperature. You feel like that only in a hot desert. So here in the detail is 38 degrees Celsius, but sometimes it goes very high that you can't live there. But the nights are also very cold. Now in hot, in the day, it's very hot, right? But at night, it's very cold. It's the complete opposite. So, generally, now hot deserts have no cloud cover, which means there mostly will be no clouds on the top of them. So, this allows them to heat up and cool down very quickly. So, I'm saying that it's completely opposite at the day and night. So, this is the reason why it's that opposite. And also, the Thar Desert is an example of a hot desert. The next, we have the coastal deserts. Uh, can you understand it? Maybe you can understand it by the picture that is given there. So there's a desert and also a sea. Let's get into it and see what is it. So water does not evaporate from a cold ocean as quickly as it does when the water is warm. During the day, water evaporates from the land further, helping to make a desert. At night, the land cools down, and some of the moisture in the air above the land condenses to form fog. So here, water in the coastal deserts is, yeah, as I told you, it's a desert, which a desert and a sea beside it. So we think there is no water at all. So some deserts have water beside them, a lot of water. So, water does not evaporate from a cold ocean as quickly as it does when the water is warm. So, when the water is warm, the water gets evaporated very fast, and when the water is cold, it takes some time. You know this, right? So, uh, day means in a desert it will be very hot. So the water gets heated fast and the water evaporates from the land, further helping to make a desert. So when the water is evaporated, a bit of the desert forms up. Haha, That much water evaporates to make a desert. Whoa, means imagine how hot it is in a desert. And then at night the land cools down and some of the moisture in the air. So at night there's no sun and there will be nothing to make it hot. So it will be very cool at night. And some of the moisture that is there in the air, it condenses above the land, the air that is above the land. There's some moisture present in it. So because there's moisture present in it because in the daytime it continuously evaporated water and there's water present in the air now. So that air condenses because there is no heat anymore, and it condenses to form fog. So after it condenses you can see full fog, right? So what do you have next? Do we have more information? Okay, so this is some information about some deserts, guys. So I've included only three types of deserts here, but there are more deserts you can think of. I'll make another video upon it. But for now, thank you guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, huh? PPT by Learn with Sahasresh. Bye bye, friends.